Matthew Stickney here at Newins Space Shore Ford, here today to talk to you about the new 2021 Mach 1 Mustang. This Mustang is equipped with an Elite package, a handling package, as well as the appearance package. The appearance package, you're going to add a black side stripe, black hood in the front. Handling package is going to include these 19-inch handling dark tarnished wheels. These are aluminum for added lightness. Get a flap down there, as well as the rear spoiler and the Gertie flap as well. What I love about the handling package, you get a 3.73 upgraded rear axle, as well as adjustable struts in the front. The Elite package will include a B&O sound system and the enhanced wheel security, so you'll have wheel locks for the front, so nobody can steal them. Now, this is absolutely an unbelievable looking vehicle. You'll see a lot of orange accents in the vehicle, starting with these massive Brembo brakes. Larger rotors in the front, but absolutely look great with these 19-inch wheels. You have a Pilot Sport Cup 2 tire, 305 in the front, 315 in the rear. You see a beautiful Mach 1 badging, very unique for this vehicle, as it follows that black and orange side stripe on the bottom. You can see the rear wheels as well with matching Brembo painted calipers. You see back here, this is actually very unique for this Mustang. These massive 4.5-inch exhaust tips. You have quad exhaust, 2 on both sides, chrome tip, but again, that's 4.5 inches. That is massive. I mean, just to give you the size, like I can fit my fist in there. It's absolutely crazy. You do have a butterfly system in this exhaust, so you do still have that active valve exhaust system that people do love in the previous model Mustangs. I think it's very unique. You can adjust the sound to make it a little bit softer in the morning so you don't wake up your neighbors, or if you want to add a little bit of loudness, raise it up a little bit and activate all four. This Gertie flap is absolutely amazing, this rear spoiler wing. This is a part of that handling package with this and the front wing as well. This is to increase downforce and lateral capability, just for increase, like I said, handling. And that's why you have that handling package. Increase downforce, increase lateral capability, decrease your lap times. You're faster all around, but also you stick to the ground. And I think that's most important, especially with this upgraded 5.0 liter V8 engine. You get 480 horsepower in this vehicle, and with that handling package, you also get that 3.73 rear axle. This transmission in this vehicle is the Tremec, same as the GT350. Add all those things, puts together a pretty unbelievable Mustang. And again, this is completely stock, right from the factory. No upgrades needed, no additional tuning needed. This is ready to go for the racetrack. Just to show you a little bit more about the front here, and again, if you want to pop your head on the interior. Okay, inside this car, I just want to talk to you about a couple of things. Very unique shifter knob. It's like a pool ball, a little cue ball, which is great. You still have the Sync 4 system, the upgraded 8-inch touchscreen. You have a 12-inch LCD digital cluster screen, so you can change all your views. You can change the colors, you can change the look. It's pretty cool. Still have the Sync system, all voice activated as well. But again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, still the same Ford systems that are in the previous models. You do have adjustable knobs right here, so you can change the steering, as well as the mode. Drift mode, comfort mode, and all the different modes that come with this vehicle. Guys, again, this is the new 2021 Mach 1 Mustang. Available here at Newins Space Shore Ford in Long Island, New York. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment below. And again, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.